I live in a village with my family. My father was a farmer. He worked in a field. My mother helped him daily. One day, my father took me to the market. We bought a packet of seed. Next day, we went to the field. I dug the soil and sowed the seed. Then I watered it.
Do you know, children, when we sow the seed, process of germination starts within few days.
Did you know?
So what does the seed need to grow or germinate? Water, air, soil and heat.
After few days, seed is sprouted from the soil. In a couple of days, it became seedling. Then stem, leaf and roots started growing. Gently, it converted into a small plant.
As time passes, I grew older and older and a small tree grew bigger and bigger. After so many years, now I am reviving my father's job. I am making my children learn how to plant. Dear children, make the habit of planting, be a green kid and save the earth. Hope you like my video. Kindly subscribe the channel, like the video and share it with your friends.
Thanks for watching.